Hi friends, I'm Mahalakshmi and I've joined CCNA course at Alltech Solutions. I've just chosen this center because it's very close and I came to know about the center by the advertisements, and when I browsed to the net also it was like fine, the course would be good. I got a good feedback from the net also, and so I've chosen this center to do my CCNA course. Then if we go on to the class timings, and so they'll be very flexible for us, they'll be adaptable for us. Like whenever we want we can come and attend the classes. There'll be no tension for us, like we have to come only on the respected times, on the restricted class schedules alone. Like when we are, for example, I go to college, so it will be very convenient for me only during the evening times. So when we just make them a call to the office and tell, they'll be like fine, you can come at so much of this time or like that. Then to talk about the fee structure, they won't force us to pay fully in the first installment itself. Like after a month also you can pay by dividing into two small amounts. It will be very easy for us. The environment over here is very friendly. They don't force us to do anything. It will be like you can do whatever you wish. Then to talk about my tutor, he was so friendly to us, and also he taught us more things. Whenever we had doubts, he would clear it on time. If he doesn't know also, he'll refer and he will tell without any delay or like that. Then that's it. Fine. Thank you.